Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So we're back out here at the farm today. We're gonna try to get this cleaned up and pulled out. The 240 SX, it's an 89. In our last video it was cold, and we should have came up here earlier because now we do have to do some more cleaning around it to actually drag it out. But we're gonna show you us cleaning the inside and dragging it out. This one, I don't know if this one's gonna pump up. Look at it. Now if you want to get a really good view, you stand here. Look at this guy right here.
Poison ivy.
That's poison right there. See how bad it is? So we're about to find out. I will be damned. I don't know how much air I should put in it though. You believe that? The trash in the valve can. Alright, we'll hold off on that. Just got one more to do. Surprise, all of them are pumped up. Save a little bit of air. Leave that right there. They all pumped up. Alright, hold up. I might need to, I gotta steer it a little bit. Oh. right, hold up. Sorry, you lost it. Might have got the back end too far up the hill. Make that swing. I might need you to back up so I can push it forward and get the back tires. Because if I swing hard, I'm going to hit this car. Thank you. Brake does somewhat work, but it's coming out pretty easily. I was able to push it. Brakes weren't locked up, which is surprising. And the e-brake works. I was able to stop it from rolling downhill. The fun part is I should probably sit in the seat. Do it. So we've got her pulled out of the field now. We're going to give her a little bath and clean up the interior and see how she looks. So we just got finished cleaning up. We washed the outside, got most of the trash out of the interior, and did a little detailing on the doors and the plastic parts. We didn't bring a vacuum cleaner, but we do plan on getting the rest of the interior cleaned out. But while we were cleaning it out, we found a few things that are quite interesting. So within all the trash, we found the original window sticker for this car, and it sold for $16,484, which is really neat, as you can see. Some of the other things we found, not quite sure what this is. If anyone knows, please comment and let us know. But let's see. Also found a transfer trade. Looks like whoever purchased this traded in a '88 Ford Bronco. It's pretty cool. Almost never would you find a car with this much paperwork from the original buy. Also found it's a carbon copy of what looks to be some type of acknowledgement for the state. Not quite sure, and it is notarized. It does have the stamp and signatures on it, which is really neat. So a few other things we found. We did find the actual owner's manual. Surprisingly, it's not stuck together as most would be. We do have the warranty information. If you look back at our last video, we showed this while we were looking at the interior. This is a tax ticket that showed the property value of $700 is what we believe it to be. And then we got a few more little carbon copy papers that are in Japanese as well. It's pretty neat. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of our 240SX. We do have 2 prior videos that you can watch as well. Please like and subscribe and join us next time for when we haul this off to our house. Please like and subscribe.